Okay, I got to do a quick update on this so everyone's super clear. I got out of MULN due to this pump it had recently. It had a pump from the low of $1 and it went all the way up to almost a buck 40. As you can see, this big green candle was a big, nice, massive move, over 20% if you count the highs there, and it was a nice move to get us all out. Is MULN stock a good stock? No, it's not. But if you trade the technical patterns, you draw your trends, and you see what it's doing, it is definitely respecting everything that you want it to do. Penny stocks are all pumps and dumps. The whole market's been really hard this last week, but there's still lots of money to be made. This was a pump and dump reset and get your shares to make a whole new margin and make some more money. MULN is extremely bullish again. I did not like it at the EMA 10. As you can see, price has to revert to the mean. When price does that, the algos, I repeat, the algos will do what it wants to do, and oftentimes it comes back down. What happens with MULN is we get close to the EMA 10 here, it dumps. EMA 10 dumps. EMA 10 dumps. We try to get above the trend channel, and these are just fake outs. And that's really what you're seeing all throughout this. This is the only thing that makes sense. MULN is extremely bullish. We know it has one of the massive pumps. When it was near the ATR4 last time, right in here, and we draw our shorter term trend channel, you can clearly see why MULN was a very nice trade in here. We have our trend channel. We respected the lows, the highs, but we look for what? An ATR4 close to the lower trend channel, and that's why we had this massive pump in here. We don't have to predict how high it's going to go. We just had to predict when it can pump, and that's really what it's going to happen with. We know it's going to pump. It's just a matter of time. We don't care how high it goes, because we're looking to get conservative gains. 10 to 20% gains is massive. We're not here to get 100% gains on each thing. So if MULN pumps up all the way to a buck 50 and then it plummets all the way back down to 75 cents, I'm out of the trade. It doesn't matter. We made our money, we move on, and there's another penny stock to trade. MULN has been making successful pumps all the time using my system near the ATR4. But I just want to say, guys, take the profit. That's the only thing you can control. You can't control anything else. You can control your risk management. The market can have a terrible day, but we be patient. We accumulate the dips and sell the rips. The last time this happened right here, we got near the ATR4. It had a pump of what? This was about a 36% pump in one day. Everyone was complaining, MULN sucks, and then it just recovers all the candles and then some and makes everyone massive gains. I've been in and out of this trade, made thousands of dollars, and I just got out recently, made some more money. But here's MULN. You hit the lower ATR4, pumps, I'm out. Hits the lower ATR4, pumps, I'm out. And these are giving you, what, 16, 20%, 30% gains just on these little things. The candles might not seem big, but we know in the end game that MULN will hit an EMA 20. Anything that don't hit the EMA 20 in 2 months is very long. 502 is the last time it hit this EMA 20. This was 706. We have something very similar. I would not be surprised we see two big massive candles and hit the EMA 20 and make an over 100% gain potential. If we look at MULN right now, obviously market's very bad, but we haven't touched the EMA 20 since 531. We know it has to. It will touch it. It's a guarantee. Algos will do it, and it happens all the time. So what I look for this system is, are we near the ATR4, the lower band? Are we near the trend channel? Do we have massive room to the EMA 5 and 10 at least? And in a longer term, can we at least hit that 20? And what is the time distance? Everything meets the criteria. It can be diluted. It can be very trash. Yes, but MULN is going to bounce near these trend channels here as it's really respected. And the good news usually comes out near the ATR4. And if it's bad, then it's not going to go as much as you think, guys. A lot of the bad news happens at the EMA 20 and 10, and that's really what causes the stock to go down. Algos make it go up. We had that reversion to the mean, and this is all this was. MULN hitting the 10, going back down. Reversion to the mean, take the profit, dump it back down, get in at a very good entry, and then take it back up to the EMA 10, which is at a buck 14. EMA 20 is at a buck 46. And you can see the massive returns here. 75 cents. If you take it to the EMA 10 at a buck 14, you're looking at a pretty good, decent return. We're not here to, make massive money on each trade. The conservative gains hit. If we go to the EMA 10, we're at a 52% gain increase. When the dust settles, the market gets better. I can very well see that. But a lot of people will be like, yes, lots of people lose money. Lots of people lose money on every penny stock if you're not really having a system that trade. This system works. I'm telling you, if you accumulate the dips and then you sell the rips, you'll be totally fine. MULN was due for a spike, and that's what we got. Right back in July 30th, we had our spike. The whole market was red, but the algos had to retreat it to the EMA 10, and then they could do whatever it wants. We are at a solid trend channel here. We're at a solid ATR4. I showed you past examples of why the biggest moves have happened at the ATR4, and if we just go to the EMA 5, you make massive money to close to $1. Keep MULN on your watch list. I'm in a couple pennies, but this one is definitely something I'm looking to re-enter. And I will alert the Discord members when I get in. And like I said, join the Discord. You'll know when I enter and exit. Don't base your trades based on a YouTube video. Things change in real time. When things are pumping, I'm most likely getting out. I'm looking for an exit. I'm very conservative. I don't have to have 100% runner, because that's not all the time practical in pennies. Not a lot of these pennies are not going to run 100%. They're going to probably run 20%, 30%, 50, and then they plummet down. But you got to look at what is the practical areas. Obviously, we're not expecting a big, move, because look at the trend channel. I mean, this is a big move, but we're not expecting anything higher than $1.20 right now. We're looking for conservative EMA 5 and 10 for the conservative targets. And if you got in a good entry, then you can take up the EMA 5. You're making well over 10%. 10 to 20% gains are ideal. If the price goes against you, then you look to break even. Say you had a bad trade, take a minor loss, and move on. That's literally what trading is probabilities, using a system that works, and I promise you the algorithm will go in your favor using this strategy. If you guys want to join the premium Discord, this is your chance to do it. It's at an all-time low cost of $12 a month. Click the link down below in the YouTube comments, and in the description it'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts and system. It'll take you to this amazing community of over 4,000 members that trust it, that know it works, and have turned red accounts into green. If you're struggling trading and you're just like, I can't do it anymore, do not give up. The market's going to take your money and you're going to be pissed about it. And I've been there, done that. I changed red accounts, including myself and others, and doing this exact system. I would trade MULN way back probably and be like, oh, it's down a lot. It's down, it can't go anymore. It can't go anymore. And it's just like people have $2, $3, $4, $5, and it just keeps going down and down and down. It's just all part of the game, guys. Market makers are corrupt, but we know what their algorithms are doing, and this system detects that. So this is trend reversals, guys. If you want to join the Discord, hit the link down below. Go on over to Server Shop, and you'll see the best service to get is obviously the $12 a month, and it gets access to all my alerts, swing trading and day trading. And if you do it on your computer, it's a flat rate of $12 a month, and that is a guarantee you will be profitable if you follow my rules, my accumulation rules, my strategy. Don't get in early without my alerts unless you know what the heck you're doing, and I promise you guys, you will love this strategy. Stock MULN, I'm not in right now. So everyone's saying it's a trash stock. Yes, you must be, losing lots of money. I'm not. I got out, and I'm looking to get, I'm very conservative. If the stock goes against me, and like my average was 120, it went all the way to 110. I was down 10%, so I look to take minor profits, and I look for that reversion to the mean, and then I look for that next entry, which is showing right now, guys. So I hope to see you guys in the Discord. It's a very profitable Discord. It's very cheap. I think anyone can do it. When you join and pay the $12 a month, you get access to day trading education, swing trading education, my live streams. You can see me in real time making plays, calling out the entries and exits, RTK journal, where you can see that I do win over 95%, and my day trades have been absolute fire. So if you want to do this full time, do the day trades with me, do the swing trades on the sides, and I promise you guys will have lots of success. And I'll say this again, MULN is due for a move up to the EMA 5 and 10. That is around a 40% gain. With all the fluctuations, probably will move. And yeah, I hope to see you guys in the Discord. Happy trading, guys. Many success to your families. I hope you guys stay blessed, stay humbled, and just do a system that works, guys. Ignore the fear, ignore everything, and just trade based on what you see and the chart, and that's it. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Happy trading, and like I said, join the Discord. I'd love to see you guys make some money with me. It's been a very profitable team. And give this video a like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you think about it, and I'll see you in the next one.